Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful and trendy top 50 hand embroidery designs for 2025. Whether you have a beginner just learning the basic or someone who already enjoys stitching, these embroidery ideas are easy, beautiful and perfect for adding a personal touch to your clothes, home decor or gifts. Embroidery has always been a wonderful art form because it's not only stylish but also calming. And the best part, you don't need fancy tools. With just a needle, thread and fabric, you can create designs that look amazing. Let's begin with the simple patterns. For beginners, designs like little flowers, leaves and veins are always a great starting point. They are easy to stitch, yet that look very pretty on handkerchiefs, pillows and even tote bags. Next, we have geometric patterns. Circles, triangles or repeated line designs are very trendy in 2025. These are perfect if you love modern minimal styles. You can use colorful threads or to make them vibrant or keep each smile with just one color for a classy look. For those who want something fun, cute and playful designs like butterflies, birds or even little hearts and star threading. They add a graceful touch and kids especially love them on their clothes and accessories. In 2025, cultural and traditional patterns are also making a comeback. Inspired by style, you will see designs that use bold colors and unique stitches, perfect for making cushion covers, bed sheets or statement pieces of clothing. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Easy to make, beautiful and trendy stylish hand embroidery designs you can see. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.